How to create a social media manager portfolio. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a social media manager portfolio for free. So let's get into it. First of all, you can go to a platform known as Asana.com and you will land right here. Asana helps you manage projects, focus on what's important, organize your work, and collaborate with your team. With Asana, we can create different portfolios as well. A lot of people don't know that, and we can actually do that for free. So I'll show you how you can create a portfolio as a social media manager using Asana. So first of all, if you do not have an account on asana.com, you can get to the website and you will create one. So you will click on get started. You can create an account with your email address. Just enter your email address, click on sign up, and you will get a free basic plan as well, which is free forever. After the initial sign up or sign in, this is where you will land. You can see this is my Asana dashboard. So within our Asana home, we can actually create different projects. And here in our main menu, you will be able to see that we have home, task, inbox, reporting, and then we also have a portfolio option. So we're going to go to the portfolios. We're not going to focus on the management part today. We will be creating a portfolio. Organize your projects into portfolios to monitor the status of key initiatives and manage your team's workload. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on try it out. So I'm going to click on try. So here we're going to click on explore portfolios. And now we have our portfolio menu opened up. This is our main dashboard. So how it works is that if you already have a project created, you can convert it into a portfolio and you will be able to add it into your portfolio. So for instance, I already had some of my social media projects created on Asana. And now I will be able to create a portfolio with that. They already added few, for instance, the content calendar that I had for my social media. Then I have my YouTube channels. I can also go with like this project right here, and we will be able to add it to our Asana. So for that, you will have to click on add work. And now you can select any kind of project. I'm going to select this one, YouTube videos as well. And you can see it will be added to my portfolio. If you want to delete any of these, for instance, I want to delete this one. So I'm going to remove from my portfolio. Now I have these three projects added in my portfolio. It says my first portfolio. Let's actually rename it and actually call it social media portfolio. Click on save changes and you will see this is my new portfolio. Let's actually change the icon as well. And we can kind of like customize it too. I'm going to change the color to red here. So now we have list, timeline, dashboard, progress, workload, and messages. This is the list right here of the projects. I can open up any project anytime and it will show me the tasks that I have. And I will also be able to invite team members to my portfolio. So for that, we will click on share. And now I will invite the member. Just enter their email address here. Or you can also add a new member with their portfolio name or copy the link of your portfolio. So I'm going to copy this one and I can also share it with my clients. If I am a social media manager, then I will be able to kind of like manage all my projects in one place and also share it with my clients. This is the list view. Very simple. Just open up any of the tasks here. We can also organize it better if you want to move something like at the top. If you want to move something at the bottom, you will be able to do so. So I'm going to organize it this way. This is a content calendar. If I open it up, I'll be able to show you that this is where I actually manage my social media posts and everything. So you can see this is a pretty good project that I created. How to use Asana.com. There is already a video on the channel. You can actually go ahead and check it out and you will get an idea how to create a project as well. We also have a status here. So in status, we have like no recent updates, but I can change it to something else. We can update the status here. So for that, you're going to click here and you will add the status. For instance, when I created this project, when this project started, when this project is going to end. We can set a status. For instance, this is actually on track project right now. And I will add the dates here. We can also add a summary. For instance, this is a content calendar for my social media. I'll add the summary of what I do with this project or what I have actually achieved. Then we have dates. We have fields. For instance, we have owner and dates. And then we also have some highlights that we can add to our project to show in our portfolio. I will be able to add different milestones that I have, completed with this task. Then I have different approvals. We can also add reviews completed by assignees. So this is actually all in one pretty good portfolio that I'll be able to create and integrate my work, actually show my work, what I have done as a social media manager. So you will be able to add the highlights, click on post, and your status will be updated and your project will be added as on track, and you will add the more information here. We also have the task progress here, like how much task I have actually completed, how many tasks. We have like 100%, 20 or whatever. So of course, keep it 100% here. We also have date, we have honor. If you want to add more fields into it, for instance, you want to show more, click on add field and you will be able to add any title. For instance, I want to actually add the people that I've worked with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it the team here, and then add people here. So this is the field that I wanted to create. Let's create it so that I can also add my team members, the people who have worked with me on the project. So this is how I will add it here. We can also customize it with Asana. That is why I really like Asana, because Asana gives me the freedom to customize my workspace as well as I like. I will be able to kind of like create different statuses, change colors. If you like to be creative with your workspace, then Asana gives you that freedom. This is the list right here. We can also switch to a timeline view that will show me my projects in a timeline, and I will be able to create a new project here too. Then we have dashboards. Now dashboards allow me to add different widgets, and this is actually a visual representation of my portfolio. We have total task 31 completed here. This is a test workspace, that is why it says 1. And we have incompleted task, we have complete task, we have a pie chart, we have a bar graph, we have all of these different charts available that will give me and my client a visual representation, my team members a visual representation of what we are doing with our social media. Then we have a progress right here. Of course, we need to track our progress, where we are with our task, and are we on track or not. So you can see we have projects on track, we have projects on risk, we have off track projects, we have total projects, and then we have this portfolio of work is on track. We have a summary created for us to show us our summary of the portfolio. So you can see this is actually the summary right now of the project that we just created, like the portfolio that we are working on. Then we have a workload. This is where I will get the idea of how much work I have and what's the total overview of the work. Here we have add effort, today, all tasks, weeks, filters. Then we have scheduled task, unscheduled task, and it will give me the graph here too of when I worked, when I didn't work, and we can add work here anytime. Just hit add work and you will be able to add any kind of project here into your portfolio. And then we have messages. So messages is actually an important part of a portfolio. I will be able to communicate with my team within my portfolio too. I can send messages. I will be able to receive messages from the team member as well. For instance, I want to send a message. I want to send an announcement. So what happens is add a subject. Then we have two. This is my portfolio right here, social media portfolio that I created. I'll be able to attach a file as well and send it to my team members, and they will be able to check it out right here in the messages section. And then you can see we have new message here, and I can create it. The messages can be created by the owner or like a manager position you have. So you're creating the portfolio and you'll be able to send the messages. Let's get back to our list view. This is how you create a very professional portfolio with Asana. If you want to share it, again, you're just going to click on share and copy the link of your portfolio, and you will be able to share it with other people and with your team members too. If you want to switch between the portfolios, you'll be able to do so from here, and we can create more than one portfolio with Asana and add more than one work within our portfolio to showcase our skills and to showcase what we have done as a social media manager. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help, and now you know how to create a social media manager portfolio. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.